Okay, question 10. Find the perimeter of the figure which is made up of 7 identical rectangles with a length of 15 centimeters. So the question wants us to find the perimeter of this figure. This big rectangle here, that's made up of 7 little rectangles. And the little rectangles have a length, which is this part, of 15 centimeters. So to do this, even though we don't know information, like we don't know how long the width, we're going to use the information that the question gives us to actually find it out. Okay? So what do we do know? It's made up of 7 identical rectangles, and the length is 15. The length is 15. What can we do with that information? Let's write it out. Let's write every length of the small rectangle. That's 15 centimeters. And there we're left. So what you will notice is that we want to find the perimeter of this big rectangle, right? And this length up here of the big rectangle is the same as 2 lengths of the little rectangles. You can see that here. 2 lengths of the little rectangles. So it's going to be 15 plus 15, meaning the bottom length here is 30. And what is the rectangle? The rectangle obviously means that the top length is also going to be 30. And this 30 centimeters is the same as 5 widths of the little rectangle. Okay, so it's made up of 5 widths of little rectangle equals 30. So what does 1 width equal? If 5 of them make 30, then one of them should be 6. Okay? So each one is 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6, 6, and 6. And this width here is also the same as this part right here. This is also 6. Why is it 6? Because the rectangles are identical. Okay? So if for this rectangle on the right here, this side is 15 and this side is 6. So for this rectangle, this side must be 15 and this side must be 6. The long side is 15, the short side is 6. Just think of it like that. So here we go, we have 15 and 6 centimeters. So the width of the big rectangle now is going to be 15 plus 6, which is 21. Therefore the other side is also 21. And now we have the 4 numbers that we need to find the actual perimeter of the big rectangle. 30 plus 30 plus 21 plus 21 is 51 times 2. 102 centimeters is the answer. So the way to approach this is you need to use all the information that the question gives you. The 2 important pieces being the length of 15 centimeters and that they're all identical. Once you figure out that, oh, this is 15 and this is 15. 2 15s make the length of the big figure. Then you can work from there, find out that that's 30. So 6 of these little guys, 5 of these little guys, sorry, will also add up to make 30, and then you can figure out that it's 6, and with your two numbers, 15 and 6, you can figure out the whole, figure out the rest of these empty pieces, missing pieces, and from then on you can find the final perimeter of the big figure. Okay, that's